Hello friends, so today we discuss about the some GATE topics. Basically we are focusing on the computer science and engineering subjects. So the main target of today's lecture is this: which subject you will prefer first. So if you're talking about the computer science and engineering subjects, so in the GATE there are 9 subjects basically come. These subjects are discrete mathematics, programming and data structure, digital logic, computer organization, theory of computation, compiler design, operating system, database management system, and computer network. So, what should be your preference among all these 9 subjects? So, we will discuss this. So, for this, we will use some statistical data from 2012 to 2020. So, as in your screen, you can see there are some data is here. So 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 16, 17 like this up to 20. So here we are also include the engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics and graph theory. So let us we are not considering at this moment, but it is a very essential topic that come in the GATE. So it is all given in percentage. So here the percentage wise it is given the 8% marks come at 12-20 for design analysis algorithm, similarly in 12-13-14 and like this. So what I did here, I mark something. If in yellow mark you can see it is yellow or orange whatever looking, so you can see here above 9 I will give 10 points. For green between 5 to 9 I give 7 point, and that is not mark colored, it is between 3 to 4 I give 4 points, and those who are below 3 I am giving the 2 points. So basically the in GATE 3 sections come under for computer science and engineering student. First one is the verbal ability and numerical aptitude, and second is engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics there is a discrete mathematics, graph theory, and in computer science is cover the 9 subject. So today our focus on this 9 subject. So how we will do this? So you can just calculate this the marks. Like here is green, I have given the 7 point because it is between 5 to 9. So there are 1 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So if we talk about design analysis, there is 9 green plus 1 yellow. So if you consider the marks, 9 green means green having the 7 point, 9 into 7 plus 1 yellow means 10 point. So when you go for it, so here you can see this is 56 plus 10, 63 point. Okay. Similarly, programming and design analysis, if you go for this, you will get the 90% questions come in 2012 and 12% question in 2020. So if you calculate this, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 here. So 9 into as you can see the preference, so first preference should be given to the programming and data structure, as you can see here. So a lot of question is put up from this. So your first preference should be this. Now second preference here, as you can see it here. So second preference should be, just a minute, 9 7 ja 63, here is wrong, is 73. So design analysis should be 73. So 73, second preference should be design and programming analysis. Third preference is 81, operating system. At fourth preference, either you choose the computer organization or automata theory. Come on, fourth preference. At the fifth preference, after 69, there is a 66, computer network at fifth preference. After that, there is 60. Sixth preference is DBMS. Then seventh preference is digital logic, and obviously eighth preference should be compiler design, because at the fourth you can consider computer organization or theory of computer organization or theory of computation. So overall this is a 9 subject. So your preference would be like this. Friend, here is a preference. Whatever we did the statistical analysis. So first preference would be program and data structure, design algorithm analysis, operating system. Third, at the fourth there are 2 subjects, computer organization and theory of automata. So if you are the more prone about the computer, so go through that, or your electronic background, then you move to the computer, but both having the same preference. Then computer network, DBMS, digital logic and compiler design. So it doesn't means you just only read few subjects, 2 or 3, but you have to learn all the subject for the GATE, but your way of studying or your preference of studying this subject like this, because at the first place the more scoring and the decreasing order. So the first number is scoring the more, then less, then less, then less, then less. I think if you consider minimum 5 to 6 subject in the computer science in the GATE, so you have cleared your GATE. Hope all of you will be fit and fine in this COVID, and you will follow all the COVID guidelines and protocol. Jai Hind. Thank you.